What happens when two tarot card readers give two distinctively different answers to the same question? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader from India, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. Tarot card reading or animal communication is an extremely personal practice. So every communicator or tarot card reader will bring something authentic and something very personal to them when they are interacting with their clients. Oftentimes, this personal aspect can also influence the readings and the communication. So it is very important for us as communicators and tarot card readers to ensure that we are grounded and we are neutral. Likewise, oftentimes we also see people reach out to different professionals with the same issue because they are probably really in a bad spot and they are seeking out for a lot of help. However, this can create more confusion, as in few cases you may find answers that are contradictory to each other. If this has happened, it is important for the tarot card reader to also seek for clarification. Now, just like with communication, it's not necessary that different information means contradictory information. It could just mean different perspectives or different insights into the matter. Especially with tarot cards, because it is so centric to the reader and how the reader interprets the card, there is a very personal touch to the readings. So it is important that the reader themselves understands the question well, and when they explain it to the client, it is equally important to explain it from how they perceive it, so that there is absolutely no confusion. Yet, if there is confusion, it is necessary for the reader to know about it. So the human needs to explain to the reader what the confusion is, so the reader can go back to their cards and also understand a deeper insight into the answers that they have received. Equally important is the timeline, the context and the intention of the human and the reader. Sometimes you may ask the same questions, but you may have had subtle shifts of energy within you, subtle small decisions that you may have taken that may have changed the course of direction or guidance that the tarot cards want to provide to you. This is very important in cases of tarot card readings, because tarot cards are deeply intertwined with the energy of the reader, and the tarot card reader will ask questions upon their understanding of the issue. So this kind of communication between the human client and the tarot card reader is equally important. If the reader has not understood the issues correctly, or the human has not explained the issues correctly, it may reflect in the tarot card reading as well. There are a lot of reasons why you may get different answers, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are wrong. It could be the tarot card's way to give you guidance in different aspects, so that you can take that guidance and make the most appropriate decision for you. Remember that nature will never decide for us. They will only guide us and give us options so that we can take our own decisions. At the end of the day, our decisions are always our responsibility, and nobody else is really going to make them for us. So if you're reaching out to different tarot card readers, or if you're reaching out to different people to ask different questions, ensure that you're elaborating on the issue so that you get specific answers. Likewise, if you're unhappy, then you can reach out to the reader or the professional and ask them for deeper clarity. As tarot card readers or even communicators, it is our responsibility to ensure that we engage for as much as we can to give the client the clarity they seek. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Do share your experiences in the comment section below. Until the next video, bye-bye.